Our project is located in the village of Essex Junction, Vermont, just west of the Five Corners on a plot of land owned by the Vermont Agency of Natural Resources. The objective of this project was to design a multi-use path that would provide an additional pedestrian connection between Pearl Street and West Street, as the two nearest connections between these streets currently lie over half-mile apart. To the north and south of the project area, there are many residential homes as well as schools and local businesses. Other attractions, such as the Essex Junction Fairgrounds, also draw people to the area, and as a result, there's a high volume of foot traffic through this site. There are many different paths currently being used throughout the corridor, including at least 3 unregulated railroad crossings, some of which also cross private land along Pearl Street. These paths were mapped using GPS in order to lay out frequently used routes which could be taken into consideration when developing path route options. The goal was to consolidate this network of foot trails to one route, which would improve efficiency and safety for pedestrians traveling through the area. Other data included examination of soils in the area, which were found to be well draining. Tax maps were also provided by our community partner, from which it was determined that the path would cross only state-owned land. A site survey of a small ravine adjacent to the community gardens was also performed. With regards to this data and key features within the project area, 3 alternative route designs were developed. Option 1, shown in red, was selected as the preferred route option due to its close proximity to the local dog park and community gardens, which see substantial use by the community year-round. This option also includes the placement of a prefabricated bridge that will span the small ravine adjacent to the community gardens. An abutment design was completed for the bridge supports in accordance with ACI code requirements, which includes pedestrian and maintenance vehicle live loads. Similar bridges in the area have been constructed by Contech Engineered Solutions, who also provided a cost estimate for the bridge in this design. The biggest challenge for this project is obtaining permission from the Genesee and Wyoming Rail Company to continue the path across the tracks. It is our hope that the rail company will see the benefits of consolidating existing crossings to a single signalized crossing in this area. The signalized rail crossing will be located at the path's entrance just off of Pearl Street, where there is a former access road connection. This automated crossing will be similar to the crossing found near Old Colchester Road. Chain link fencing will be installed along the railroad on Agency of Natural Resources owned property to assist in consolidating pedestrian crossings to this location. To promote the safety and comfort of path users, an LED lighting layout was developed for the entirety of the path. At several locations, bollards will be placed to prevent vehicles from traveling on the path. These bollards will be placed with a minimum 5-foot clear span to allow for snow removal in the winter. The typical path width will be 10 feet with a minimum radius of curvature of 50 feet as specified by AASHTO for a design speed of 15 miles per hour. Curves below this radius will be marked to advise reduction in speed. All path design aspects were completed in compliance with ADA accessibility standards. Given current levels of pedestrian traffic through this area and expected increases in traffic once completed, construction of this multi-use path is warranted by its many benefits to the community and minimal environmental impact. We hope that continued efforts by the village of Essex Junction will bring this project out of the design stage and closer to implementation.